Nearly 90% of marketers use email as a way to build relationships and convert the people on their email lists into paying customers. If your email marketing strategy has been collecting a bit of dust lately, maybe because you're not sure how to get new subscribers on your list, it's time to learn how you can use content to build your email list. In this video, I'm going to cover a few ways you can grow your email list with content marketing and ultimately grow your company's bottom line. I'm Afton Brazzoni, and my copywriting studio, Scribe National, helps B2B brands create stronger connections with their audiences to drive sales. Producing excellent content is one of the ways we do that. Before we get started, I'd love if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly marketing tips and interviews with people sharing industry insights. Okay, let's do this. I want you to think about your group of friends for a moment. My closest friendships have a few things in common, and one of those things is reciprocity. This is likely true for many of you watching this video. Most people don't feel great about simply giving all of the time in a relationship. You need to get something back too. It needs to be reciprocal. The same thing is true of your company's relationship with your customers. If you want their email addresses to market to them, you need to show you're invested in them. So how do you do that? Creating content marketing tools such as ebooks and white papers is an excellent way to grow your email list by offering your audience something of value in exchange for their contact details. Ebooks, which are often formatted like how-to guides, are one of the most effective types of content marketing for providing information that's useful to your customers and that delves deeper into your B2B company's message than a blog post could. In contrast, white papers are comprehensive guides to topics that are often complex. White papers are most useful when a potential customer is interested in a service or product that you offer, and they've moved into the middle phase of the buyer's journey, which means they're gathering information and exploring their options. Regardless of what type of content you choose to create, the takeaway here is that if you create downloadable content your audience wants to read, they'll be happy to share their email address with you to get those goods. Creating downloadable content is really worth the effort. After all, content marketing drives 3 times as many leads as paid advertising and ends up costing you about 60% less. If your B2B company needs a hand with creating content to grow your email list, Scribe National can help. Visit scribenational.ca to get in touch with us and learn more about what we offer. Thanks for watching.